can you change Netflix password? Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change Netflix password. To change Netflix password, you first need to open the Netflix app, log into your account, then click the initials or the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, on your My Netflix section, tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. Then you want to go to Account sections. As you go to Account, then you want to scroll down to the bottom. You could find these options as Change Password. So go ahead and click that out. First of all, or before you change your password, you have to enter in the current password for the confirmation or for the identity verification. And next, you'll only be able to create a new one after your confirmation or after you've confirmed your current password. So now then, type in twice in order to confirm it, click on save, and you'll be logged out of all the devices that you're logged in, and then you could go ahead and log in with your updated password. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.